Hi there, Leslie here, Run with Craft Scissors. So this one, Owl Paper Planner, they sent me this little pen and this little journal planner started in January, I believe. Yeah, so this is January to June. So they do like their planners in chunks, if that's something that you like to do. I don't remember the name of the color that I picked, but I really like this like blue. I just thought it was really fun. And it's so soft, you guys. It's so soft. And then her logo is in like gold foiling on the front. Adorable. Okay, so this is kind of like, it's not always what I would use. I tried using the first one that she sent me, and it worked pretty well for my online classes. So you have like your months at a glance at the beginning here. And then you jump right in and you can see like the tabs change colors. Oh my goodness. Okay. So this one says February though, and then it goes into the months. There's January. Okay. That must be like a weird, oh, that's like at a month glance. Okay. So I'm wondering if that was supposed to say, see, and then that one says May and June. So it's like month at a glance at first. If you want to do your months before this year starts. Yeah, that's what it does. And then every other you have like a page to fill out. So then it's pretty much hourly, but you can put stickers there and cover that up if that's not what you're wanting it for. There are kits definitely for this, like the Hobonichi ones usually work pretty well in it. But I do want to utilize this for doing my online classes, just so I have a separate place to make sure that I get my things done for that. Because we have to do like pick 5 students to offer tutoring, pick 5 students to message and like give them a positive message and things like that are like set up within our courses. Yeah, so then you just get your weeklies throughout the spreads here. So it goes through, right? All the way through to June, okay? And then you have pages at the back. So if I want to like take notes about like a conversation or something, or like things I need to get done, the page numbers are listed. So you can literally like write down like see page 89 for the list of things about the executive branch or something like that, as far as in my planner. But you guys can obviously use that as well. But all of these back pages are the grid. And then the paper is pretty thin, so it is not one of those where I lay a sticker down and then try to get it back up, okay? And then the back is just blue. And then my first one came with a cover, so I will probably just utilize that again. It was this one, if you guys remember. It was like kind of coral colored. So I'll take this off and then I'll put it on the new one to be able to use that. And then I really like the fact that she sent me a pen this time. I thought that was really cool. It's called Jetstream. I haven't quite used it yet, so I thought we would do a pen test. I wasn't going to write in that journal just yet, but I thought it would be fun. Okay, so it's pretty thin. That looks really cool. Okay, it's a nice thin pen, and I can tell the ink is not too heavy. So this is probably one of the best ones to use in her planner. So this one is called Jetstream. I'm gonna have to look this one up. I don't know if she sells this one in her shop or not. But this one is really cool. It's a Uniball Jetstream. Okay, so if you want to check that out, it has a nice little gripper and everything. So thank you so much for sending this to me, Owl Paper. I'm sorry it took me so long to film this video. Usually I'm not like this. So thank you guys so much for watching and continuing to support. Let me know in the comments below if you are using a journal like this as your planner this year. I would love to know. And then as always, I love to know what your favorite pens are. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.